Little Marion woke up one day, ready for fun, ready to play. Then she felt a tiny clue. Oh, I think I know what to do. Mama smiled, you're growing strong. The potty is where you belong. Step by step, let's try it now. You can do it, take a bow. Potty power, clap, clap, hooray. Marion's learning every day. Sit, wait, and try, try, try. Big kid courage, you can fly. Flush, wash, wave goodbye. Potty stars are shining high. Marion walked to the potty chair, took a breath and sat with care. She waited calm, she counted slow. 1, 2, 3, let's go, go, go.
A tiny sound, success, surprise. Happy sparkles in her eyes. Mama cheered, you did it, yay! Potty wins the day today.
Potty power, clap, clap, hooray. Marion's growing every day. Sit, wait, and listen inside. Your body is your helpful guide. Flush, wash, nice and clean. You're the potty champion queen. Sometimes accidents happen too. That's okay, it's part of you. Clean up, change, and try again. Practice makes the potty win. Marion smiled, proud and tall. I'm learning, I can do it all.
Day by day she tried with glee.
Big kid independence, yippee. Potty power, shout it loud. Marion makes her family proud. Sit, wait, you know the way. You're a big kid every day. Flush, wash, hip, hip, hooray. Potty success, you did it today. Questions for kids.